Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to look at an awesome new code snippet posted on the MyListing Club website that's automatically applying WooCommerce coupons and then redirecting the customers to the cart using a custom link. So all that to say, in short, is we are embedding a coupon into a link and sending people straight over to the cart. So you no longer need to say, hey, use coupon code XYZ. We're just going to embed that automatically, okay? And so I don't forget, we're going to do this. We're going to be doing this on a real world project of mine called Influence WP. I'm going to show you how I've used it over there. And what I don't want to forget here is you have until October 27th, so only a couple days now to take advantage of the free lifetime membership to Influence WP. And this thing is growing like wildfire. I've got all kinds of meetings with partners and stuff like that. So you want to get in now, free for life, like I said. So we'll look at that here in a second. But I wanted to say that because I don't want to forget to tell you guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and dive in. So from the Influence WP website, this is the website we're going to be working from. If you haven't seen any of my other videos where I mentioned this was actually built exactly from the Canvas starter site. So the MyListing Club's Canvas starter site is exactly the product that I used to build this. And we're going to, if we go under consumers and membership, this is the free membership for life that I'm trying to get you guys access to. If things keep progressing the way that I see them progressing, this thing is going to be something you want to be a part of. And again, it's totally free. All right. So what we're going to do here is instead of having people, click sign up and then, so you go sign up and then enter this coupon code right here, we're going to just bypass that and just inject the deal right into the link. Okay. So to do that, we've got this code snippet right here, and this has already been added to the site. So if you're a club member, you just go in there, copy that code snippet, and then I give you some use cases here. And this is the use case that we're going to do right here. Add a specific product by product ID to the cart and automatically apply the coupon code partner. In this case, we're going to automatically apply the coupon code called launch. So that's actually what I want you guys to use to get the free lifetime membership. Okay. So just go to influencewp.com, go here under consumers and membership, and I'll actually put a link in the description too. So the actual embed code for the coupon, but you can also just go here, sign up, and then you can put the coupon code if you want to do it that way. The coupon code again is launch, and that expires in 48 hours or less. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove this from the cart. Let's start over here. Just go back to our home page here for fun. And again, we're going to use this right here. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it right here into the browser. And I'm going to strip out the dummy domain information. So https://domain.com, because that's not it's not going to be your actual domain. So you got to put your domain in there. Okay. So we now have that URL constructed, but we need to update the product ID. And as I say here in this little code snippet guide, whatever you want to call it, to get your product ID, you go to WordPress dashboard products and then just hover over the product name. Okay, so we're going to go into our products, and what I'm giving you in this case is a free membership, lifetime membership, consumer membership. So we hover over that product name and we see the ID right there. So we're just going to grab this ID, copy it, go back to our URL. I'm just going to replace the number 123. That's just a dummy number I put in there. We're going to paste in our product ID, and our coupon in this case, as I mentioned before, is launch. Okay? So really quickly deconstructing this URL, it's very simple. It's our domain name at the beginning, /cart/?, which is a dynamic variable in there, which just says we're adding this to cart. We're adding this product, which is our membership product, and that's our corresponding product ID number. And then we're saying, okay, now let's apply a coupon that's called launch. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter here. And what it should do is it should take us right to the cart page and apply a 100% coupon for this consumer membership. Okay. There we go. We're in the cart. It says coupon code applied successfully. Membership has been added to your cart. We see over here that the discount has been applied and there is no fee going forward. All right, really, really cool stuff. So go ahead and check out this code snippet, and I give you one more use case here where in this case, it's like, imagine you have multiple products that you want to bundle for your customer, and the discount code you're providing is applicable to all of those. Okay. So that's the key, is that the coupon code has to be applicable to all of them. It can't be like a reoccurring percentage discount. And then you try to apply that to like a one-time purchase. It won't work, and vice versa. So it's got to be a coupon code that's applicable to all the items in the cart when you're using this option right here. Okay. And this one right here is like a one-off product base. All right. All right, guys, hope you found this video useful. And again, less than 40 hours. Once I take this deal off the table in 48 hours, it's gone. I've extended it one time, and I'm not going to extend it anymore because I just don't want to keep doing that. It's just extra work. And plus, this thing is growing. It seems to be growing popularity very, very quickly. So yeah, just join. All right, see you guys.